Well, guys, this 100-plus-year-old Hammacher Schlemmer workbench just got bought. This thing is a beauty, and I've been working on it for, I don't know, almost a year now that I've owned it. And it has been fantastic, and I am very sorry to see it go. But I just got offered way too much money compared to what I paid for it. So it is going. But it is a very solid workbench that apparently is dated 1910, and you can see the Hammacher Schlemmer writing right there on the wood vices. And it says underneath New York. And apparently this dates around 1890 to 1910, which any way you slice it puts it well over 100 years old. She's a beauty. But there she goes. See ya.